Okay, so this is the front. So I'm trying to get this done as well. Again, I'm going to be using the same material, the polymeric sand in between, plus the cracks in between are half as much as what they were before. And when you have concrete in between, the sound reverberates when you pull stuff like the trash cans over this. It reverberates throughout the whole property and to next door. It's just loud, you know. But when you put the polymeric sand, it actually suppresses some of that vibration, so, or the shock. But anyways, this is what I got so far. I'm gonna finish probably later on this week. It's starting to rain right now, and plus I'm hungry. About to be going on 3 o'clock and I haven't even ate yet. So anyways, it's coming along. Okay, so every section is, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Boom. 1 section, 2 section, 3 section. Gotta do like 1, 2, 3 more. I'm gonna stop right where the green starts, right there. And then finish this off with something else, I don't know. But it should look nice. It's a little bit different design that I did before. But well, I think it's the same. I can't even remember, but oh well. Anyways, stay tuned. Okay, so dug a little ditch in the front and put some P-rocks in there. Boom. Hammered it down. So it's pretty much flush. And that's it. And then we'll dump some more P-rocks. Boom. Movie magic. So go ahead and tap those down and secure everything. I'll be right back. Okay, so don't have one. It's probably not secure. You know, just something to came up with. That's what it looks like so far. Now go ahead and pour down those P-rocks. Okay, there we go. So nice, looking right. Pat these down really hard. Ensure security. Oh, you just out here too. I put the out there too. So I have a whole bunch of rocks. Put some like around that, you know. Just gonna fill all this stuff. It's nice and so far for that. This can use right now. A little bit more. Keep these rocks moving, so. Oh yeah.